We are here improving this principal channel that receives all the water from all this valley. We are making it larger, deeper, and we are leveling the flood in order to make the water flows easily. Mayor of Kafr-Kelah request us if it's possible to make some works here to improve the capacity of this channel in order to avoid the flood due to the rain season in winter. Villages that receive or has benefits is the Kafr-Kelah city and Hiam, the owners of this terrain.